So someone asked me, can I explain inflation? So I'm gonna go with the ChatGPT version. So inflation in general is a rise in prices of services and goods over time, which reduces the purchasing power of your money. Okay. So what is the cause of inflation? Inflation usually happens when demands for goods and services grow faster than supply. We know that. Or when production costs rises. Measurement. Economists track it using price indexes like the CPI, which measure the average change in price of everyday items such as food, housing, and transportation. So, what are the effects of inflation, right? Savers, people that are saving money, that's why it's not good to save money. They lose purchasing power if their money isn't earning interest above the inflation rate. Now, inflation grows 3 to 5% a year. So that means bread grows 3 to 5% a year. Your rent grows 3 to 5% a year. Gas goes up. Everything goes up. Housing goes up. Everything to get your nails done goes up. Everything, vacations, cars, everything goes up. Borrowers may benefit because they can repay loans with money that's worth less. Business may rise in prices to keep up with the costs, okay? So inflation always hurts the little guy, right? The person who is not financially educated, the person who doesn't have any assets, the person who's working hard, just to get by, right? So inflation is not good, right? It's not good for the average person. But inflation must happen because things can't stay the same, right? A house can't be $90,000 for 100 years, right? Bread can't be $1 for 500 years, right? So things have to go up because the cost of labor go up, the cost of living goes up, and the cost of everything, right, goes up. Cost of goods, services, raw materials, everything goes up. So who fits that bill? The consumer. So if you consuming, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it at the pump. You're gonna feel it in the grocery store. You're gonna feel it when rent is due, because every time you update your lease, now you're gonna be paying more, right? So we gotta have multiple streams of income. We have to have investments that can combat inflation, for us. And we need passive residual income. And we need to be getting a raise on our job every single year. If we're not getting a raise between 3 to 5% a year, you're losing money. You're losing your buying power every single year because your money isn't growing.